Namar ka jingther ulaba ha keleng ka Jylla ha kini ki khendiat sngi bala lejno kabala wanra ye ki jingtwa ki jakalum bat penthot ya ka lej kawan ki paitba kumtau menteri rangba ka Jylla ula penlong ye ka jingyalang lengba ka online bat barok ki officer bat ki kli senshar district Haka khan reu tarik Jylla kumta ha katika jingyalang ki officer bat ki kli senshar ha ki district la Bthah ye ki rengkat bat ka jingtreilang bat kitna treikam sorkar bakin shimkia bat banle ya kabadan kam khnang bakan kta ya ka lej kawan ki paitba khamtam e haki shilenter ki surok kali ban pelai ru na ki jingja bapher la Bthah kerpang ru ya ki board district bat kitna treikam sorkar bakin long ki bapej perman bat Peitngor bha haki nyo puar kenta banwan namar ki jingther uslap kala ban beteng kat kum ka jingtho palatho lengba ki bor perman mariang.
Last night and early morning, because of heavy rainfall in different parts of the state, especially in East Jylla Hills district, certain very important road connections have been damaged quite severely. I had taken a review meeting on video conferencing with all the respective deputy commissioners and officials from the different districts, as well as honorable ministers had joined. And post the meeting, we have decided to form 4 regional committees to be headed by respective ministers. The Jylla Hills, which will take care of East and West Jylla Hills, Mr. Lakman Rumbui, who is the Honorable Home Minister, along with the Revenue Minister, Mr. Jylla, and other leaders from the local districts, as well as the deputy commissioners will be members, and I've asked them to closely monitor the situation in the next 24 hours to 48 hours in the district, and to ensure that steps are taken so that the movement of vehicles can start at the earliest, especially the essential supplies that are required for not just those districts, but for the neighboring states also. Apart from that, we have formed a committee for Ribhoy and for East Khasi Hills, and we have asked our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Preston Tinsong, along with other leaders and other district administration officials and departments, not just those districts, but for the neighboring states also. Apart from that, we have formed a committee for Ribhoy and for East Khasi Hills, and we have asked our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Preston Tinsong, along with other leaders and other district administration officials and departments to monitor the situation in East and East Khasi Hills and Ribhoy district. The third is the committee for Eastern West Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, and for Southwest Khasi Hills. And we have asked Mr. Renington Tongkar to be the chairman of this committee, and accordingly have members from different departments and different districts to be there so that they can monitor the situation in these 3 districts in the next 24 hours to 48 hours. For the entire Garo Hills region, that is the 5 districts of North Garo Hills, East Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills, South Garo Hills, and West Garo Hills, we have asked Mr. James Sangma to be the chairman of this regional committee, and along with that to also co-opt other local leaders as well as other administration officials to monitor the situation in the next 24 hours to 48 hours. The purpose of putting these regional committees is number 1, to monitor the situation closely in their respective regions and in the respective districts that they have been given responsibility of. Number 2, movement and provision of essential commodities are smoothly functioning in the different districts and the regions that they have been asked to monitor, and also to go and make field visits in the area to ensure that there's proper coordination between the different departments and the different district officials, so that whatever steps need to be taken in a very quick manner are taken to minimize the inconvenience to the public in these areas in general, and also specifically to ensure that the safety and security of the citizens of our state, and also to ensure that the other movement of essential commodities are done in a smooth manner. So we will be monitoring the situation closely in the next 24 hours to 48 hours, and we'll be having another review meeting tomorrow to see the situation and take stock of the situation tomorrow after 24 hours.